I noticed this one here has got this fancy cover on it. Is this something that's available for all your units?
It is. And what we think is that when you protect your equipment, you're protecting an investment. Here where you have snow, you can keep it covered in and out of the truck, so you don't have to keep it in an enclosed unit, and on the job site as well.
It's got obviously the eyelets here,
Yep.
so you can put a bungee cord or
Right.
a ratchet strap on it to keep it nice and
Protect
tight.
your investment. This saw's 3 years old. It looks brand new. iQTS244 10-inch tile saw, 24-inch straight cut, square cut, 18 by 18 on a diagonal. Again, dustless, just like all of our other saws. You lock the tray this way. This is where your dust goes, down here. Clean the filter a couple times a day, like at lunch. That's it. And you're done.
So one thing I've noticed, they got two motors here. So this motor obviously is a motor for the saw. What do we see in here?
This is our vacuum motor. This is what pulls down all the dust. This is our vacuum port. It pulls all the dust through these louvers. That concentrates it over the vacuum. And that's what helps keep the blade cool. It's air cooled. Get about 170 miles an hour worth of wind pulling over it, and it's pulling all the particulates out. So each rotation of the blade, it's a clean cut. So you don't have the friction build up, and that's where the heat comes from.
That's super interesting. And would you always use this as a push-through saw? You would never chop with
Never
it, correct?
chop, never chop. If
Yep.
you do, it's going to spray dust because the vacuum port's on the
Goes
bottom.
out through the back.
Yeah.
How about the stand? Is the stand something that stays on it all the time, or is that
It's-
something that's removable?
It's very portable. What you want to do is you want to square up on the machine. We've seen a lot of people reach and grab it from the front. That's not safe. Let's don't do it like that. Let's be safe. Walk it down, set it down. Now you're off the job site.
You make that look easy. You sure you didn't sell ladders before this?
Yeah, I watched a video. And when you go back, always
You got the
saddle it up.
hooks?
You saddle up the horse, put it on, push back to give it a little relief, get your legs off the floor, snap it in, and again, square up and walk it up. And you're off and running. One of the newest features on this saw and also on an MS362 is a pressure indicator switch. Green, yellow, red, you notice this here. What happens is when you're pushing, regardless of the size of the material, when the blade starts feeling pressure on the motor, it'll alert you. Green, you're okay. Yellow, slow down. Red, you're going way too fast pushing your material. This helps with the uneducated or newer employees that aren't familiar with hearing the hum of a motor. All right, we're going to talk about how to do some quick maintenance and cleanup. At the end of every day, what you want to do is wipe this machine down. The 362, the 1550, and the 244 are all built on the same frame type. So you have rails and rods, and you just need to keep them wiped down and clean. You don't want to use anything that attracts moisture and dust, like a silicone or a WD-40, anything like that. You want to use something that flashes off quick. I recommend a brake cleaner. It'll clean off anything that's on there. Take off any particulates, then take a Scotch-Brite pad, wipe it down, makes it smooth, ready to go and easy to clean. And it also does a good job up here.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here.
Or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.